Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best Dymo Label Maker 5200 is probably one of the most versatile and user-friendly labeling solutions available today, designed to streamline your organizational tasks whether you're at home, in the office, or managing a warehouse. This advanced label maker boasts a wide range of features, including a large, easy-to-read display, a QWERTY keyboard for quick typing, and the ability to print various label sizes and styles, ensuring you can create professional-looking labels for any purpose with minimal effort. Its robust construction and long-lasting battery make it a reliable tool for everyday use, promising to bring order and efficiency to your labeling needs. Number 5. Dymo RhinoPRO 5200 Industrial Label Maker. Introducing the RhinoPRO 5200, designed for the demanding environments of job sites and heavy-duty labeling tasks. It's your reliable partner for any challenge. Streamline your asset management with its ability to print code 39 and code 128 barcodes. You can easily label items using 3-4-inch wide labels. Ensure your work meets critical industry standards. This device helps you comply with key ANSI and TIA-EIA 606A labeling requirements. Boost your productivity with exclusive one-touch hotkeys. They automatically format text for electrical panels, wires, cables, and more, saving you valuable time. Experience significantly faster labeling compared to competitors. It prints labels up to 77% quicker, letting you complete jobs more efficiently. Get started right away with 2 included rolls of Dymo industrial vinyl labels. This ensures you have what you need for immediate use. What we like. This device is excellent for asset management, printing industry-compliant labels quickly. Its exclusive one-touch hotkeys automatically format labels for common applications like electrical panels and patch cords. If you work in environments like construction sites or data centers and need to label assets efficiently and accurately, this is the tool for you. What people say. The Dymo Label Maker 5200 prints labels quickly and efficiently, making it easy to organize files and belongings. It features a large, clear display that shows multiple lines of text, allowing for easy preview before printing. The Label Maker offers a wide range of font sizes and styles, as well as symbols and borders, to create professional-looking labels. Number 4. Dymo Rhino Industrial Flexible Nylon Labels. These labels are built to last. Their industrial-strength adhesive resists moisture, extreme temperatures, and UV light, ensuring they stay put. Designed for the demands of job sites, they come in a range of UL-recognized materials. They are tested to meet rigorous industry specifications. Using advanced thermal transfer printing, the text on these labels won't smudge, smear, or fade. Your important information will remain clear and legible. Applying labels is a breeze thanks to the easy-to-peel split-back design. You can label quickly and efficiently. For the best results, always use authentic Dymo labels. They are designed to work seamlessly with your Dymo label makers. What we like. These labels are built to last in tough conditions, resisting moisture, extreme temperatures, and UV light. The thermal transfer printing ensures text won't smudge or fade, and the easy peel backing simplifies application. If you need labels that can withstand harsh industrial environments and stay put, these are your go-to. What people say. The Dymo Label Maker 5200 has a large, easy-to-read screen that displays up to 5 lines of text. It offers a wide range of fonts, sizes, and symbols, allowing for highly customizable labels. The automatic cutter ensures clean, precise cuts every time, preventing label jams. Number 3. Dymo LabelWriter 550 Turbo Label Printer. Meet the Dymo LabelWriter 550 Turbo, your ultimate solution for fast and efficient labeling. It's designed to streamline your workflow and boost productivity. Experience high-speed, direct thermal printing that eliminates the need for ink or toner. This not only saves you money but also reduces maintenance hassles. Never guess your label settings again. It automatically recognizes the label size, type, and remaining quantity, preventing errors and saving you time. Connect with ease. It offers both USB and LAN network connectivity, making it perfect for individual use or shared office environments. From shipping labels to name badges, it handles a wide variety of label types. It's the versatile tool your business needs for diverse applications. Get your labeling done quickly and efficiently. This printer is built for speed, reliability, and professional results every time. What we like. Experience lightning fast, professional label printing without the mess of ink or toner. Its automatic label recognition eliminates guesswork and reduces errors, while versatile USB and LAN connectivity make it easy to integrate into any workspace. If you're looking for an efficient, cost-effective solution for diverse business needs like shipping, file organization, or name badges, this printer is a smart choice. What people say. The Dymo Label Maker 5200 is a robust and versatile labeling solution, perfect for organizing your home or office. Its intuitive interface and large, clear display make creating labels a breeze, even for beginners. The machine offers a wide range of font sizes, styles, and symbols, allowing for highly customizable labels. Number 2. Brady BMP41 Color Printer Electrical Starter Kit. Meet the Brady BMP41 Electrical Starter Kit, your all-in-one solution for professional labeling. This kit is designed to get you started right away with essential tools and accessories. Inside, you'll find the powerful BMP41 portable label printer, a durable hard carrying case, and a convenient lanyard. It's everything you need to create labels on the go. It comes equipped with an NiMH battery and charger, ensuring you have continuous power for your labeling tasks. Stay productive without interruption. This kit includes AM21-750-499 label cartridge, delivering clear and durable labels for any electrical application. Get professional results with ease. A quick start guide is also included to help you set up and begin using your new printer in minutes. Start labeling efficiently from day one. The Brady BMP41 Electrical Starter Kit is the perfect companion for any professional needing reliable and versatile labeling solutions. It's built for performance and convenience. What we like. This kit provides a robust and portable solution for creating durable labels on the go. It offers color printing capabilities and comes with essential accessories like a hard carrying case and battery. If you need a reliable, all-in-one labeling system for electrical or industrial applications that can withstand demanding job sites, this starter kit is ideal. What people say. The Dymo Label Maker 5200 is a robust and versatile machine, capable of printing labels up to 2 inches wide, which is great for organizing larger items. Its large, backlit display makes it easy to see and edit text, even in dimly lit environments. The automatic cutter ensures clean, precise cuts every time, preventing label jams and making the process much smoother. Number 1. Dymo LabelWriter 450 Duo Thermal Label Printer. Meet the Dymo LabelWriter 450 Duo, your solution for fast and efficient label printing. It can produce up to 71 labels per minute, perfect for addresses, shipping, and more. Save time and money with the included Dymo stamp software. You can print USPS-approved postage directly from your computer, with no extra fees or commitments. This printer works with both paper labels and D1 tapes in various sizes. Choose the perfect option for any labeling need, whether it's for files, name badges, or shipping. Enjoy hassle-free printing with its thermal technology. This means no need for expensive ink or toner cartridges, ever. Connect it easily to your PC or Mac. You can start printing labels directly from your favorite programs like Word, Excel, and QuickBooks in minutes. What we like. This printer offers the unique ability to print USPS-approved postage directly from your desktop without extra fees, alongside a variety of other labels. It can print on both paper and D1 tapes in multiple sizes, and integrate seamlessly with popular software. If you frequently send mail or need versatile labeling for both office and shipping needs, this is a highly efficient option. What people say. The Dymo Label Maker 5200 is a robust and versatile labeling solution that offers a wide range of customization options for creating professional-looking labels. Its intuitive interface and user-friendly design make it easy to navigate through various features, including different font styles, sizes, and symbols. The Label Maker boasts a fast printing speed, allowing you to produce multiple labels quickly and efficiently, which is a great advantage for busy environments. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.